Well, yet again, I'm standing in front of this beautiful Audi R8. And Mick, and I believe you've got something very special planned for the start of this session.
Yeah, unfortunately we are out of soft tires, so we need to try something else, and we let the William and other guys run their hot laps, and then we'll see on the straight what we can do.
So you're going to line up next to each other on the straight. Let everyone go first.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
That'll be very entertaining. So you just told me that you've got no new tyres left.
Yeah, we ran our new soft set last run, so we still have a few pretty good used ones.
I'm excited to see what you can get out of this session. Good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
How about that? The Pro-Am class brought to us by Motul Oils, and yeah, a little bit of roll racing going to be going on there, I do believe, between him and Mighty Mouse. Now, they have certainly mentioned on more than one occasion the rivalry that started pretty well straight away. And look, they're not quite in the same pit. They are on adjoining pits, so there is a brick wall between them, and maybe lucky there is a brick wall between them. But there's all the mind games started from day one with the mouse traps. The Finns have got the mouse traps and all the little mouses, mices, whatever you want to call them. Put them out there and put the Mighty Mouse in a mouse trap. But the boys need to split that mouse trap down the middle and put another 100 mices around them, because they are truly a dominant team. If you're both going to come out of Honeywell Garrett, both under full noise, it'll be very good to see. They'll line up against each other.
Everyone's placing their bets right now. Roll race 1320 styles. Someone says the R8 is going to eat that mouse.
Yes, most probably, but the mouse will eat him back. That's one thing about
They're lining it up.
The mouse normally won't bite you until you don't know it's there. That's the thing.
Well, this Audi's meant to have nearly, 400, 500 more horsepower than this, this little Honda.
I don't even think Mighty Mouse hits 500 with this thing. I honestly don't think it's making any more than that, but it's light.
So something we've never seen before here at World Time Attack. Let's watch and enjoy this as they come onto the front straight. Cheer them on if you're in the grandstand. A roll race down the front of Sydney Motorsport Park. Here we go.
Here we go. Well, Mighty Mouse goes for a little bit. He's going for a draft. He's sucking him in for a draft. This is where the 25 might come. Look at the horsepower there from Sammy Stevenham. Look how much he absolutely gates Rob Newen. But watch this now coming into not only PlayStation. Oh, Sammy! Commitment. Now here comes PlayStation Gran Turismo Sport corner. Mighty Mouse starting to nip at his heels a little bit, but Sammy Stevenham still, what the difference in speed there would be. I wish we had a gun on both, but we know at 300 odd that R8's our fastest thing down the main straight. Now Mighty Mouse, you'll get him. I reckon the next 3-4 corners, you'll just keep nibbling back at him, I think.
That was pretty cool to watch. He's backed out of it. He wants to get a bit of room here to himself. I think the fun's over there for the 101, but the Sammy Stevenham car at the moment is pushing on with things. So, Sammy! Around he goes. Now, that's a blind corner. Hopefully the Mighty Mouse knows he's there when it comes around the corner. He's thrown it away in the Audi R8, and he's got away with it. That's a fast corner, turn 6, but there's a lot of runoff.
Yeah, look, he's just, I think, trying to restart it. I'm looking for any plumes of smoke out of the dump pipe at the back of the R8, but Sammy has had the thing either turned off on him or was just sitting there gathering himself up, making sure that there is no one that can come around that corner and clean up. And I think the best thing he can do is wait until there is some sort of instruction from the marshals in regards to that corner.
There he goes. He's got it going once again.
Boy, he's given us a lot of great action replay information here. There's a red flag. Oh, my goodness. The Mighty Mouse is also stranded there, been put in a mouse trap. Oh, and he's pulled up too on a funny part of the circuit. We've got to go red flag immediately there. So I don't know what Rob Newen's done there, whether or not we are, because really that thing's been virtually bulletproof its entire career. The only thing I can think of is that maybe we might have transmission or transmission linkage.
We've figured out what the problem was a drive shaft, as the same problem he had yesterday. Absolutely no problem for the Super Lap shootout later on today. They're already at work fixing it. They know what's going on. They've got spares. It's all good.
Well, they did have to make some pretty big changes to that car last year with that drive shaft issue.